All right, guys, today we got this cabin filter. We're going to change it out. This is for a 2014 to 2022 Toyota Sequoia, and I think it's for the Tundra as well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you need to take this little thing out. Just pick it up, pull it out, just like that. Looks like this. Pick it up, pry it out. Then you have this little panel in here. You gotta pull up on it, push up, and take it out like that. That's what it looks like. Now, it's got these little tabs on the side. Probably do them at the same time, it'll come out. Well, actually, it's coming out now. Just kind of wheeling it out. Take it out. There's that piece right here. So this little hook, come in here, grab this, pull it out. And you can see, pretty dirty, right? Grab the new one. It says to do this every 25,000 miles. It's a K&N. Okay. Let's see if it has a little arrow strip on it. On which way. It's interchangeable. So you'll take it and we'll just put it back in. Just like so. Push that in. Alright, and the next piece, you put it in and you pull down. And then the last is this little inset. Pretty simple. Guys, I'll put this in the description. So that is the code if you're looking for it. But it will be in the description. Just click the link in the description. All right. If you liked the video, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.